Are you a coach, consultant, or speaker? You decide you are going to launch a webinar, but you just don't get enough people and to register, and you actually don't get enough people to notice your webinar. I used to have the same problem as well. You know, I guess when I launched my first webinar, that should be 5 years ago, almost 5 years ago. At the time, I didn't get enough people to notice my my webinar as well. So I was struggle. And during that time, I started learning a lot about how to promote a webinar. And one of the strategy I have learned is something called Dream 100. What a Dream 100 is really simple, you know. So that means that when you try to launch a webinar, you gotta think about like who do you want to get the people to the webinar. Imagine about, let's say you're working as a property investment consultant. You help the people buy an investment property. Then I'm sure the people you want then to have on your webinar are the people who want to buy an investment property. Okay? Then you got to do some research. That means research every single website, every single podcast, YouTube channel, Facebook page, and to find out who already have the property investor you are trying to target. Maybe there are some property investment experts like Robert Kiyosaki, like some of the experts. They are talking about how to build wealth using property, and so that means that they are already building an audience already. So what you need to do, you just have to partner with them, either doing a joint venture or refer a partner with them. Leverage the influence, leverage network already in the community. By doing that one, you actually leverage the branding as well. Because why? Because when you start to launch a webinar, you are nobody know about you. So you have to leverage someone else's branding, someone else's audience, someone else's network to drive the most qualified traffic into your webinar. By the way, if you want to learn more about the Dream 100 strategy, I got upcoming webinar for you. In my upcoming webinar, I'm going to show you the most effective way to track the most qualified leads into your webinar. They call it Dream 100 strategy. And if you are interested about it, I would suggest you check the link in the comment section, and I will see you in my upcoming webinar.